Follow our step-by-step video. You will require a gua sha comb and an eye cream. We are using the Liam Sublime Collagen Treatment Eye Serum for additional hydration and wrinkle reduction. We will start from your left eye. Apply a generous amount of eye cream around your left eye. Using the rounded edge of the gua sha comb, press on the yin xiang, bi tong, jing ming, and zanzhu point. Use the U shape of the gua sha comb to massage the zanzhu point. Do this 5 times. Gently glide the gua sha comb underneath the eye, from the Jingming point to the Taiyang point. Press lightly at the end. Do this 5 times. Gently glide the gua sha comb above the eye, from the zanzhu point to the Taiyang point. Again, press lightly at the end. Do this 5 times. Let us repeat the process for your right eye. Apply a generous amount of eye cream around your right eye. Using the rounded edge of the gua sha comb, press on the yin xiang, bi tong, jing ming, and zanzhu point. Use the U shape of the gua sha comb to massage the zanzhu point. Do this 5 times. Gently glide the gua sha comb underneath the eye, from the Jingming point to the Taiyang point. Press lightly at the end. Do this 5 times. Gently glide the gua sha comb above the eye, from the zanzhu point to the Taiyang point. Again, press lightly at the end. Do this 5 times.